Well, just like most of other Filipinos, my brother had his family after graduation. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's his decision anyway. So, but at first, hindi namin siya naramdaman. However, there's something happened connected to them na naging reason kung bakit nahirapan kami lahat. But I don't blame him. Sabihin na lang natin na talaga maybe, talaga naman diba, sa mga pamilya meron talaga mangyayari na something na magiging challenge sa family niyo kung gaano kayo ka-strong. And magkakaiba nga lang siguro ng way, but then unfortunately we had it at the worst way, and we battled for it like for so many years. So something happened back then. Our second sibling had an accident. So he had a motorcycle accident that time, and he was already in his final year in college. And the reason is someone wants to get his phone or snatch yung phone niya. So, aware siya na mangyayari yun. Kaya, the first thing na pumasok sa isip niya is to get away or to ride on his motorcycle and just leave. So, hindi niya alam kasi ginawa niya. Maybe because he's tense, scared. So, he bumped into an accident, and in connection to that, to our eldest, the reason why he's there